Welcome to HyperTech-X. In today's video, we'll be discussing how cybercriminals are using ChatGPT to create malware. Cybercriminals are always finding new and creative ways to carry out their malicious activities. And now, they're using advanced artificial intelligence, specifically ChatGPT, to create malware that can evade detection by traditional security measures. For those who may not be familiar with ChatGPT, it's a natural language processing tool that's used to create chatbots and other conversational AI applications. It's been trained on a vast corpus of text data, and can generate responses to text-based prompts that are often indistinguishable from human-written responses. However, cybercriminals have found a way to repurpose ChatGPT's capabilities to create malware that can bypass traditional security measures. Essentially, they're using ChatGPT to generate code that can be inserted into malware, which can then be deployed to carry out various malicious activities, such as stealing sensitive data, taking over systems, or launching attacks on other targets. The main advantage of this approach is that the generated code can be highly obfuscated, making it difficult for traditional security measures to detect and block the malware. In fact, some experts are calling this approach the next generation of cyberattacks. So, what can we do to protect ourselves from these types of attacks? Well, as always, it's important to stay vigilant and up to date on the latest cybersecurity threats and best practices. Additionally, organizations can invest in advanced security measures, such as machine learning-based security solutions, that are designed to detect and block these types of attacks. In conclusion, cybercriminals are constantly finding new ways to carry out their malicious activities, and the use of ChatGPT to create malware is just the latest example of this. It's up to all of us to stay informed and take the necessary steps to protect ourselves from these threats. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on the latest trends and insights in the world of technology.